I,
Ali Pervaiz,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
that
that
as Minister of State,
as Minister of State,
I will discharge my duties
I will discharge my duties
and perform my functions honestly,
honestly,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and law,
in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law,
and always in the interest of and the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being and prosperity of Pakistan.
and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being and prosperity of Pakistan,
That I will serve to preserve the Islamic ideology
that I will strive to preserve the Islamic ideology,
which is the basis of the creation of Pakistan.
which is the basis for the creation of Pakistan,
That I will not allow my personal interest
that I will not allow my personal interest,
influence of my official conduct or my official decision.
to influence my official conduct or my official decisions,
That I will preserve,
that I will preserve,
protect and defend
protect and defend
the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
That in all circumstances
that in all circumstances
I will do right
I will do right
to all manner of people
to all manner of people
according to law,
according to law,
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
affection or ill will,
affection or ill will,
and that I will not directly or indirectly communicate
and that I will not directly or indirectly communicate
or reveal to any person
or reveal to any person
any matter which shall be brought
any matter which shall be brought
under my consideration
under my consideration
or shall become known to me
or shall become known to me
as Minister of State,
as Minister of State,
except as may be requested
Uh,
for the due discharge of my duty as Minister of State,
except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Minister of State,
or as may be specially permitted by the Prime Minister.
or as may be specially permitted by the Prime Minister.
May Almighty Allah help and guide me. Ameen.
May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen.